Today we're taking a look at this Earth Bounty colon cleanse. This is the Oxy Cleanse. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this and exactly how to use this. So right off the bat, you're going to want to take these on an empty stomach with 8 ounces of water. Now, you'll see right over here, the instructions are pretty clear right over here. If you are trying to do a full cleanse, you want to take 2 capsules up to 3 times daily until you get the results you want. And then to kind of do maintenance mode, you want to kind of take these whenever. You're going to get 75 capsules in this. This is exactly what they look like right over here. They're actually really small. A lot of the other stuff I've seen, they're actually kind of big. So if you kind of look at it with my thumbnail, it's actually just about the size of my thumbnail, maybe even a little smaller. Just white powder inside. The bottle will last depending on your goals here. So there's about 30 different servings in here. So it depends on how much you need to cleanse or what your goals are. But if you're looking to try a new colon cleanse, definitely check these out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.